Hello everyone. Today I'm going to create a simple imaginator based your text prompt. This will be all using few line of Python code, and we will be using Hugging Face API. It's a stable diffusion model which can generate realistic picture based your text prompt. Alright, in this environment I already have the Python application set up, and in order to do your setup you need to install these libraries: Hugging Face Hub, .NET environment, and Gradio, and you need to import these libraries. Once you have that, the next thing is you need HF token, Hugging Face token, which is freely available. I will let you know shortly how to get the token, and the token you need to put into your environment file in this format. And once you have that, then we're gonna load our model, generate image, get UI, and launch the app. So okay, let's get to the token first. In order to get the token, you're gonna go to your Hugging Face website, and then you're gonna create a free account with your email account. Once you have that, and then you log in with your account, then you go to your profile icon, click on this profile icon, go to the setting, or directly click on the access token. So that will give you the token. Once you have the token, the next thing is you need to select your model. And the model, in order to choose model, you're gonna click on this model tab, and the type of model that you want to use. This will list all the available model for you to use. Okay, and in this application I'm going to use this stable diffusion model. Okay, so in order to do that, you can just grab the name of this and you're going to use it. You can go through this documentation, it has like sample code and all that, but I'm just skipping that for the simplest code. So I'm going to grab the key from here. All right, so this is our code to load the model. So we got the model key, model ID from the website, and we're going to use this class to pass the model ID and the token. This will give us the client to generate the image. And in order to get the image, we're going to write simple method generate image. So this is very simple call to text to image method of this client object, and we're going to pass our prompt. Now let's create the simple UI. So in order to get the UI, we're going to use Gradio interface, and we're going to pass the input as a text and output as an image, and you can give your title and description. Once you have that UI ready, you're going to launch this application. Okay, that's very simple to launch. Your demo object.launch. That's it. Your imaginator is ready to use. Now let's run it and give it a try. So I'm going to use uv run main.py. Okay, once you are done, that will your application will be ready to use in this URL, and you click on it, then your application is ready to use. I have opened 2 times. Okay, so now you can just put your imagination to work and get a prompt. So I'm going to use this simple prompt to lion jumping from the big stone at night. Okay, so let's submit it and wait for the processing. Yep, your image is ready. You can download it from here, and you can generate many images. There are some limits to the freely available images, maybe 50 or 100 based on the model you use. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more such videos.